Ethiopia is the land of ancient kingdoms where the colors of the earth dance with the hues of the sky. It's a land where history flows like the mighty Nile, and where the national flag tells a story as vibrant as the people it represents. Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Top 5 Ethiopia. Today, we're delving into the captivating evolution of Ethiopia's national flag. But before we unfurl the secrets behind Ethiopia's iconic banner, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more riveting videos. Our journey began centuries before, when Ethiopia's flags painted the winds with the rich tapestry of its identity. From 1270 to 1875, the Ethiopian Empire unfurled a horizontal tricolor of yellow, red, and green, a symbol of its enduring strength and unity, echoing the landscape and the spirit of its people. But as time wove its threads through the fabric of Ethiopia's history, the flag transformed, embracing new symbols and colors. From 1875 to 1881, a horizontal tricolor of red, white, and purple graced the skies, adorned with the mighty Lion of Judah at its heart, a testament to the empire's royal heritage and courage. Then, from 1881 to 1889, three triangular pennants of red, yellow, and green fluttered in the Ethiopian breeze, each color a thread in the nation's intricate tapestry, weaving together faith, prosperity, and hope. It wasn't until 1897, after the heroic victory at the Battle of Adwa against Italian forces, that Ethiopia raised its first rectangular flag, proudly displaying the red, yellow, and green stripes that would become iconic. As the winds of history shifted, so too did Ethiopia's flag. In the face of Italian occupation from 1936 to 1941, the colors endured as a beacon of resistance, only to be restored with newfound fervor after liberation. Emperor Haile Selassie, with the Lion of Judah at his side, stood as a symbol of Ethiopian sovereignty and resilience. But again, change loomed on the horizon. In 1974, the winds of revolution swept across Ethiopia, ushering in a new era. The crown was removed from the lion's head, and the cross gave way to a spear, reflecting the shifting tides of power. The Derg regime unfurled a new flag, emblazoned with symbols of revolution and progress. In the 1990s, a new political dawn brought about changes in Ethiopia's flag. Yet, through every tumultuous chapter, one constant remained: the people's unwavering devotion to their flag. Stripped of emblems and symbols, the green, yellow, and red endured as a symbol of unity and hope, a reminder that the spirit of Ethiopia could never be extinguished. And so, we arrive in the present day, where Ethiopia's flag continues to fly high, a testament to the nation's storied past and limitless potential. As the blue disk of peace shines bright, and the pentagram of unity illuminates the way forward, let us remember the journey that brought us here and the countless souls who carried the flag aloft through the ages. And there you have it, the captivating history of Ethiopia's national flag, a tapestry woven with courage, faith, and resilience. If you found this journey as enthralling as we did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more captivating tales from around this beautiful country. Until next time, may the colors of Ethiopia's flag inspire you to reach for the stars and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead.